Hi everyone, my name is Satyaam Raha. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to start a new playlist on deep learning. So I've been planning to start this playlist since long, but due to several problems, I could not do it. But now I'm ready, and in this particular series, what I'll be doing is I'll teach deep learning from a very foundation level. Okay, the very basic mathematics, the statistics, probability that is related or that is required to understand the basic concept on which the entire deep learning is evolving. Nowadays you are already very familiar with the chat gpt, the llms, and many things are there, right? Like bart models are being used very extensively, but the thing is people are just using it as consumers, right? They are simply taking some trained models and they are just tuning it for their own use. Yeah, I understand that is very good for research works, for the things that is being done right now. But if you do not know the very basic foundation of deep learning, on what principles these BART models, these chat GPTs or GPTs are actually built, I think as a teacher, it makes no sense. You will not be able to understand why to use and when to use what models, right? You will simply be continuously tuning with the models, right? And that is not a very good approach when it comes to very extensive works, right? In the very practical world, for theory it's okay, it's fine, but for practical implementation or using deep learning to solve the real world problems right now, you need to understand the very basic where the deep learning is actually evolving on. So in this particular series I will be explaining deep learning from the very basic, from a very basic concept, right from the perceptron. Then I'll go into the core concepts of deep learning, and what I will do is I'll show hands-on. I'll do hands-on projects, hands-on codes on deep learning. That is what I'm planning right now. Yes, you can see you can see on YouTube you have a very few reliable and good topic on deep learning right now. Krish Nayak is one of them whom I very much follow and respect. He's doing a pretty good job. You can follow him. You can just watch his videos. I have been watching his videos. He's a very good teacher. And what I think is, there is not much information on deep learning on the internet for free, and that is why I had to come up with this playlist. Many of my students have requested to come up with these concepts, right? So the next thing is, where did I learn deep learning from? So I have been learning deep learning since long, after having learned machine learning. But the thing is, one person, one mentor, one teacher, who is Shrikant Verma. He was the founder of Applied AI, and I actually learned deep learning from him, machine learning, deep learning, entire data science from him. He was actually working on in Amazon for almost like 10 years. And he just is a mind-blowing person when it comes to teaching. So he taught at a very deep level with hands-on examples. But I could have recommended him right now, but the problem is Applied AI is already taken over by Scalar, and the same course is being taught on Scalar now. You already know the very big giant Scalar, and the course is almost like 2.99 lakhs in Indian currency, I guess. Right now I have not seen since certain months, but yeah, last time I saw it was almost like 3 lakhs. And it's not affordable, at least for many people, many students like you. It is not affordable to take that particular course. So what I thought is to teach whatever I have learned over these years, and most of it will be the teachings of Mr. Srikant Verma. He's a very good teacher. You can go to his YouTube channel, you can see his videos that are over there. But yeah, I have learned from him, and I'll try to explain whatever I have learned and whatever hands-on I have experience on. I'll just try to explain it in this particular YouTube playlist, right? So one more thing, many of you thought, I guess, that I have moved to occult science entirely. That's a big no, because I'll never leave computer science. At least I'm not thinking of leaving computer science right now, because computer science is something which I'm very personal about. From class 7 I have been learning computer science. So any subject which has logic, I simply try to learn that subject. Okay, occult science is one of them. Okay, I have not learned like astrology, numerology from a believer level. I learned it from a logical level, and that's what I try to explain in my videos, and nothing else, right? So computer science is the most logical subject, I guess. And yes, I'll now be teaching deep learning, and please let me know how you like and what topics you want me to teach on YouTube, right? So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be starting the deep learning video soon. Thank you. Bye.